food.
Hi! So me and Georgina are out again on a walkies. We are just local though at the moment. We've not headed off to the Lake District. So we're about half an hour into the walk I think now, and we've just come to this beautiful woodland. It's one of my favourite places around here, and then in the distance you can just see Winter Hill. So yeah, it's just really nice to see a friendly face.
Okay, tree spotting.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm trying to one of my New Year's resolutions is to learn about the trees, but I keep forgetting my books. So
if you know your trees, you'll know your mushrooms.
That's exactly. So I don't know what these little cones are, but I'll take pictures.
Yeah.
It's really like interesting. You look at the bark, you look at the buds, the colours, and the way the buds are arranged.
Yes, it's very good. It's very good. I've got a tree book as well. Little Collins tree,
Yes,
the little one. Yeah, yeah, it's good.
We're so cute.
Oh yeah, cool. So yeah, it's going to be a good day. It's only a short, well, it's about 3 hours I think, the full walk, but we're not going to be rushing or anything. We're just taking our time and enjoying seeing a new face, seeing a different face. Yeah. It's a lovely little spot down there. I love it. I just love this bit. I really like this bit. Yeah, it's quite Lake District. Yeah. So we've been too busy chatting, so I've not really been filming much. We like a good chin wag. Yeah. We've come down from, I don't actually know what the area's called, but it's like a group of trees and it's up from Walkerfold Woods, up near River, Winter Hill and everything in Bolton. But yeah, we're just walking across along this road, and then we get to another set of trees and then turn left and then head up the road up to Winter Hill. But yeah, you can see Manchester. It's a really bad Mancunian accent, but yeah, so you can see Manchester. It's very windy, very cold, but nice to be out, refreshing.
Oh yeah.
We just stopped to have a little bit of, not having a picnic, don't worry. We're just having a snack. It's not a full-blown picnic.
Get down.
So this is just the path up to Winter Hill. We've just come off the path. There's a bit of rubbish around here, which is a shame. But Georgina's just having a go at Millie.
Not really.
She loves her, really.
Don't you come either.
I know, don't you start causing trouble.
over this bit.
We're having a wonderful time. Oh yeah.
Did you watch the Helvellyn mountain thing?
No, I've not watched it.
No.
You know why? It makes me too sad.
It's on.
Oh no, do you want your gloves?
No, it's fine. They're warming up. She's only got a bit wet. No, it's fine.
She sacrificed her gloves for me. And now she's got freezing cold hands.
Fine.
But it's
Nails,
alright.
me.
I did sanitise my hands before I put them on. And you're going to wash them as soon as you get home.
Yeah, on a 60-degree wash.
Yeah. Boil wash.
A boil wash, that's the one.
It's a bit windy.
Windy
But it's lovely. It's atmospheric.
Oh, moving.
Out of the world, people. Come on, Georgina.
That was really nice.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it's a lovely sound, that. I could work with that.
That's from a music teacher.
Opera singer, darling.
Opera singer, yeah. And teacher. Opera teacher.
Just singing teacher.
Singing teacher.
Bloody hell!
Yeah, opera singer teacher.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but because you teach it.
Opera singer and singing teacher.
Opera singer, okay. Alright, I'll cut that bit out.
The banter between us.
The bands, yeah.
Oh,
I'll cut a bit of it. Don't want to be downgrading you.
no, it's fine. It's funny. It just shows I'm a diva. How dare you just call me a music teacher? Dare you? You think you are? Wretch.
Sorry.
Right, it's fine.
Okay, so we are almost on the stony path, which is super boggy. But it's all right because they put a bridge there now.
Lovely.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Ah! No! I knew that would happen.
Oh no! Oh no!
Poor little GoPro in the mud. It's slippy.
Really strong.
It's a strong wind. The big mast, Winter Hill. So Georgina, we're just saying we're really lucky to have this on our doorstep.
Very.
Alright, it's not the mountains of the Lake District that we're used to, but it is nice, it's lovely. I think it's just all the open space. Love it. It's the West Pennine Moors. Beautiful countryside. Not that beautiful at the moment with all the masts and everything, but when you get round this corner. Oh yeah, the one in the very distance.
So the one that kind of goes up at a slant.
Yeah.
That's Inglebury, yeah.
Cool.
my life. I was like, well, I'm dying, it's boiling.
So Millie's going in the papoose.
Oh my gosh, she's absolutely soaking.
Oh, that's so cool. I love it. So that's Darwin Tower, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is the path that I mean to get on, but never do. I always end up down the hill somewhere. You can see Ruby Pike over there?
Hi, baby.
Nah, not yet. Not yet. So it's actually snowing. Winter Hill has gone, the mast has gone, and it's now becoming a blizzard. Woo. But we're alright, we can cope, we'll manage. It's not surprising that it's snowing, to be honest, it's freezing. It's freezing. Watch the bog.
Full immersion.
No! No!
Looks like
Oh, you got your gaiters on.
yeah, it looks like a special shoe.
At least we're using our walking gear.
Yeah.
And it's much quieter this way. Yeah, so good do. Would you do this route again on your own?
Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, I think I would do it on my own.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't really get lost.
No.
You just might sink.
Yeah, you're sinking the bog.
Oh.
Never to be found again.
Life.
I know, Lion King's my favourite Disney film
Why
ever.
do you say circle in the sky?
Because you said circle in the sky and
Oh, right,
it like, that was the song that went with it.
Circle in the sky. Oh, that's clever actually.
Yeah, it is.
Own version.
Now who's the musician?
No, that's true. Not me anymore, that's it.
Yeah. Right, so we are now just on the long path back to the car where we parked on George's Lane, which we'll probably get back there and it'll be absolutely rammed because it's a Saturday. But it's fine because we got there early and we got a parking space. But it's been a lovely walk. Very windy and we've had a little bit of snow. Having a brew. Back at the car. Lovely day. Very windy. Freezing.
We got windburn.
Yeah, like bright red. But it's been a lovely day. Thank you very much.
That's alright.
It's a
Great.
nice walk. It's a good route, isn't it?
Yeah, it was wild. On the moors.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Almost.
My hat.
Sort yourself out, love. So thanks for watching. Hopefully the next time you see me and Georgina will be up in the Lake District.
Yay! Nethermost Pike.
Yeah.
And Dollywagging.
Yeah. Do you think we'll do Helvellyn as well?
Yeah,
While
why
we're up
not?
there, might as well.
You could do your own film up there and rival that fella's.
Doubt it. Yeah, I'll get my drone out. Right, yes, thanks for watching. Drink our brews, head home, have something to eat, get warm. Bye. Bye.